having built a channel, I set a goal of getting monetized on a new faceless channel in only a month and making some real money with that channel, because I was seeing how easy it is for these channel owners to go ahead and make money with these YouTube automation channels, being able to flex making millions of dollars. And even though we did end up making money and I couldn't believe how much we made, I was wrong. This challenge was not that simple and definitely pushed me to the limit, but we'll get into that later. I knew that we could get to monetization and make money quick because we were going to utilize AI for every single aspect of this YouTube automation channel to make everything as perfectly as possible. Yep, we'll pick doing that is because it makes the most amount of money from AdSense than any other YouTube channel niche, so that's what we're gonna go for. But to keep things quick, I picked a random channel name from ChatGPT. I used a random image on Google as my logo. I made basic channel art, and the reason I did that is because I want to get rid of all the boring and non-important stuff and actually move on to the really important stuff, such as picking a video strategy and a great scripting strategy and make us a lot of money. So after setting up my YouTube channel, the next step was the video strategy for picking a viral video that would immediately get views. This is probably the hardest part of YouTube automation, making good videos. And so what was my viral video picking strategy? Simple. I was gonna go to my top 3 competitors' channels, look at their top 5 most viral videos, and then just recreate those exact videos, just making them, better. After this, we needed a great scripting strategy so that our videos would actually have good engagement that would lead to obviously more views. And all we did to make sure that we achieved like a 65 to 70% average view duration and become a top 1% channel in the niche was simple. And these are my 3 tips in order of importance if you want to achieve that engagement strategy. Number 1, start the video immediately instead of having like a 2-minute intro like all the other videos in the niche. Number 2, cut out all the junk information used as filler just so that a video can reach 8 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. Just make it as valuable as possible. And then number 3, simply edit with higher quality images to be a step above the rest in terms of the editing of the video and make it more enjoyable. This was the most important step, but don't worry, I'll go into depth on how to do it later in the video so you guys can get that 65% AVD. The next step was to shoot the voiceovers. Now, the reason I didn't want an AI voice to do this part of the channel was because I knew that if I used my own voiceover, it would lead to more views and subs for the channel, and obviously that's what we want. But at this point, we needed to edit the videos, and that was the last step. We decided to make about 3 videos in our niche. And after asking ChatGPT what the best editing AI tools were, ChatGPT told us that we should go for something called invideo.io. So we went ahead, got their $15 plan, and plugged in the voiceover audio that I recorded. We used their stock images, their stock videos, templates, and all of that good stuff to actually go ahead and make our videos. I even used them to make this video because honestly, it's a pretty good editor. I mean, that's some good stock footage, templates, and graphics that we were definitely going to need if you wanted to make a good faceless channel because we didn't have any other film to show to viewers. And so using the editor, we edited a couple of videos. And since our channel was in the finance niche and talking about money, we had to use a ton of money graphics, templates, and money sound effects and text. But to be honest, when using this editor the first time, I had a couple of problems that I didn't know how to solve. They also had this cool feature where you could just talk to some lady who would explain how to solve whatever problems you have. And one of the ladies that was helping me the whole time was this lady called Ish. So yeah, thanks Ish. We eventually spent some time making about 3 of these videos. We uploaded them, and then after a week, our highest viewed video only got 50 views. And that's when I realized something or remembered something that kind of put me into a mini depression and almost crushed my entrepreneurial hopes. Yeah, I just realized how hard it is to actually get started with YouTube. I mean, having grown a YouTube channel for so long, I guess I just forgot what it's like to start one. And literally, after putting in hours of work, we only were able to come up with 50 views. I hate to say this, but I think I just might give up on this challenge. Like, genuinely this time. Because, like, I think it might take a lot more work to start a faceless YouTube channel that actually makes money. See, yeah, this realization kind of sent me into a mini depression, realizing that I couldn't just quickly edit my way to making YouTube monetization, and that this was probably not going to be easy. And in my sadness, like I always do, I went and watched a couple of YouTube videos. I mean, me mentioning watching YouTube in my videos is becoming a staple at this point. But anyway, after watching his YouTube videos, I saw one YouTube channel that was blowing up, only like 2,000 subscribers, with one video that had over 1 million views. And when I watched that video, I basically went ahead and studied it. I wanted to understand why that video did so good, so I could just replicate that for my own faceless channel. And after spending hours watching that video, probably 10 times, I came to one realization. They had great editing. and I knew that I could replicate that editing for my own channel. I mean, the editor of that video simply introduced some stock images and stock videos for their channel every 4 seconds. I mean, that was the average. Every 4 seconds, there will be something new happening on the screen. And I mean, I can do that. So I opened up NVIDIA again, searched for better stock images, better videos, and made a better YouTube video by simply having a cut every 4 seconds of the video. I opened my editor, uploaded my files and my audio and stuff, and spent hours making as many YouTube videos as possible, trimming here, cutting here, adding this sound effect, all just to make our video better than that one video that had gotten 1 million views. And after all of that, I thought I'd done a pretty good job. But I won't leave you guys hanging. You can check out the intro and tell me if you think it's really good.
Civil liability associated with agency is based on several factors,
including the deviation of the agent from his path, the reasonable inference of agency on behalf of the plaintiff, and the nature.
Yeah, I thought this was a pretty goody intro. Either way, we uploaded the video to YouTube. We got about 20 views in the first 24 hours. We uploaded another video. Boom, that one got 50 views in the first 24 hours. And after this, these videos just kept carrying on and kept growing. And I knew that these 2 videos would take us to the top. I mean, video was better edited than any other video in the finance YouTube automation. And so, we just simply waited it out. And after waiting it out, one of the videos actually hit 3,000 views, giving us firstly 300 subscribers so that you guys can replicate this process with nvideo.io. I'll be revealing